So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can secure your WordPress website. So there's two simple things you should always do in your WordPress website. So here we go. So you can see this is my website here. First, you need to log in into your website. Okay. And then you need to install one plugin. Okay. And that is called WP Hide. Because whenever the robot try to hack your website, they always try your website name / WP admin. And whenever they try to do this, they always have their username and password. So we should always hide that screen from our WordPress website. So how we can do this? So it's very simple. So just need to click on the add plugin and just type here WP space hide. And you'll see the WPS hide login. Just install this plugin. Once you install, click on the activate. And here, then scroll down and you can see the WP hide. Click on setting. Now, scroll down and you will see here the option of login URL. So you can change that login URL to, suppose, let me just try this to Sarah. Okay. Or maybe you can just say here Harry. Anything you want. Okay. Because robot doesn't know this thing, right? And let's click on save changes. Okay, we have added Harry. Now, whenever I try to, or maybe robot try to add the WP admin like this, okay, so they will receive here the 404 not found page. And if you want to log in your website, so you just need to type here Harry and enter. And you will see here the login page is here. Continue to this side, you have that login page. Okay, so this is the must you should do in your WordPress website. One thing. Now, second thing is whenever you create a website, you need to install one plugin, and that is the most important plugin also, WordPress. So WordPress, just type this. And you can see the WordPress security firewall. Make sure install this plugin always in your website. That will hide all the access of your user's name and other thing. Because whenever in the last video we have learned how we can hack any WordPress website. So first we have learned how we can access the any website user name. Okay, so if you will not install this plugin, anyone can access your user's name. Okay, so they can have username, so they can try the password also. So make sure you should install both plugin. The first one is WHide plugin and second one is WordFence plugin. So these are the two plugins you need to install to secure your WordPress website. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to know more about the WordPress or any other platform, let me know on the comment section. I'm going to create a video on that. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Please subscribe our channel, like this video and share this video. Bye bye.